Pronouns versus pronunciation. This is pronouns. P-R-O-N-O-U-N-C-E. Pronouns. It means to say the sound of a word. Let's use it in a sentence. Number 1, please pronounce it properly. Since we are using please, do not add letter D to the word pronounce. Just say, please pronounce it properly.
Number 2, she pronounces the word with a funny face. If we use she, please remember that pronouns should have letter S at the end. In this case, the sentence is showing the fact that she pronounces the word with a funny face. You may change she to he for as long as the verb is pronounces, because the situation is happening at the present. But if you use they or we, you just have to use pronouns, not pronounces, because of the subjects they and we. Unless it happened in the past, like this third example. He pronounced that word differently. We add D to pronounce because the action already happened in the past. Let's now go to pronunciation. P-R-O-N-U-N-C-I-A-T-I-O-N. Pronunciation. Pronunciation is how you say a word. Let's have some examples. Number 1, my teacher's pronunciation is awesome. Number 2, I like your pronunciation. Number 3, her pronunciation is a bit strange. Now tell me, which spelling is correct? Is it the yellow word or the white word? You should say pronunciation. Let's practice more. How do you read this? How about this? And the last word? The first word is pronouns. Pronouns. Examples of pronouns are he, she, it, me, we, us. Pronouns. Pronouns. Pronounce. Pronounce. Pronunciation. Pronunciation.
And that's the end of our lesson for today. I hope you learned something. I will see you in my next video.